Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the first setup step by step on your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and turn the robot on. So press the power button until everything lights up and you get the notification that it is turned on. Now, as you guys can see, it is turned on. The lights are blinking, so that's good. What are we gonna do next is we need to use this app right here. So we got the Xiaomi Home, we're gonna open it, and right after we open it, we should see that everything loads up. If you do not have an account, then you can easily add it, and we're gonna click on simply two buttons on our robot at the same time. So we're gonna press them simultaneously. First, let's go over and park it inside of our charging dock so that it is charging. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and press the power button and the home button simultaneously for 7 seconds or until we hear our Xiaomi entering the network connection mode.
Resetting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
So now it has entered the mode, and soon we should see it appear right here. If it's not appearing, then what you guys want to do is simply click on start adding, but we'll wait a couple of seconds until it appears in our Xiaomi Home app. So it's been a couple of seconds and the device already appeared. There's an option to discover the devices and we're gonna click on pair now. Here we need to select the home Wi-Fi and here we enter the password for the Wi-Fi, and after you enter the password, all you click is done right here. Click on next, and as you guys can see, we need to bring the phone closer to the vacuum cleaner. So let's just place the phone right here, and there's a percentage that goes from 0 to 100. Now I'm at 50% and it's connecting the device to the network itself. So now it's at 100. Let me quickly take my phone and we are finally connected. So we can set up the room. So I'll choose the living room, or here you guys can add another one. Of course, we're gonna click next, and here we can set the name. So for example, if you want to name it living room, it's all good, but I'll keep the name like that. And now we can also share the device to our family members. So I'm not going to do that right now, and click don't prompt. As you guys can see, we need to agree, and we are finally welcome to our robot vacuum. So I'm actually gonna skip it. Here we are connected, so everything works just fine, but make sure if you change your network, if you have a couple networks at home and every single network is different, then make sure that you need to connect to this one in order for your robot vacuum to actually work. So we got everything right here, and that's basically how you guys can set it up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.